the Kirsty Meakin Show. I'm going to show you how to do what Adam actually said was the best gel polish marble he'd ever seen.
That was, yeah, I did.
You did say that. You did, yeah.
I was really impressed with the way that the colours separated and mixed
At the same time.
Yeah, like they were very well mixed but separated at the same time. It was so strange.
So yeah, it'll all become apparent to you.
Clear as mud at the moment, yeah.
Yeah. Basically, we're going to do a marble with the Kirsty Meakin gel polish range. But I'm going to show you why it looks so good and how we do it. There are a few different things you need to take on board, so stay with us because we're going to get cracking. So I'm going to wipe over the nail with the clean-up solution. So it'll dehydrate, it will clean and get us all ready to rock and roll for this design. Now, I actually didn't believe that many people struggled doing a marble effect with gel polish until I spoke to a lot of people when I was teaching in Ireland. And, you know, like, I felt like I hadn't really taught people live in person for quite some time. And it really helped me as an educator to be able to be around those people and they talked to me about their different problems. And I didn't actually expect that marbling of gel polishes was going to be one of the things that they really struggled with. So, and a lot of people do. So I think it's really good that I can show you today how I do it. Pop that in the lamp. So we put the base coat on. Now, I put the base coat on because it really does help the gel polish adhere. It all adheres absolutely beautifully, and it also has a little bit of flexibility as well. So you will require some backing paper from a sculpting form. This is a very important tool, and you will also require the fade brush, which is our ombre brush that has beautiful feather-like bristles at the tip and a solid base. Base. Now, these are the colours that I've actually chose, which are Clare, Katie, Beige Dave, Eden, and we're going to use a little bit of Fall, but Fall is going to go on afterwards. Oh, baby, around. So, right, so the base colour I'm choosing is Clare. We're going to do one coat. You only need one coat for your base layer. So this layer will give you a background. So we need a background for the places that we don't put the marble. So any spaces will have this colour. I love this colour. It's like a lipstick colour, I think.
Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. Now we're going to cure that. Right, so what we're going to do here is take each colour, do some lines of colour. They do not need to touch. But don't be scared if they do, because it's absolutely fine. Just going to put a little bit more of this down. And a little bit more beige there. Now, this is the important part. Base. We want a little bit of base at the beginning, in the middle, at the end, and then just between two of the colours, that's all. Okay, now we're going to put base on a nice thin layer, so we have like this slip layer, this slippy slidey layer. Do not cure that. Right, so normally, or some people do, and we have done before, push this way. But imagine when you pick that up and then you transfer it down, you'll have each colour like this. Now if we drag this way, we bunch up the colours vertically down. So each colour will come in vertically onto the brush. And then when you transfer, the colours will be vertical as well. Does that make sense?
I think you need to see it to believe it.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to go pick it up and then drop down. Now you see the colours are side by side, vertical.
Seeing is believing.
And I'm going to scoop again. And then at this point, you can move things around if you need to. Add any extra movement.
So that's what I mean about them sort of like, they're totally separate but mixed together. Like that's why I was saying it's a fantastic marble.
Because it looks like real marble.
Yeah.
Pop me that.
I think certain marbles can just smush together where they are, but they're still
separate.
Yeah.
Pop that in the lamp. So what I meant was, so when we grab them like this, they all bunch up. But then when you lay them down, they lay side by side. So you'll get one colour here, one colour there, one colour there, one colour there. So this is what I mean. So you can see the lines of colour side by side. And that's because we picked it up that way and then lay it down this way. So you can see each line individually, and that's why you get the effect you do. Whereas if we do it the other way and scoop through this way, when these are the colours like this, and we scoop through, as we lay them down, they'll drop off. One colour, another colour, another colour, another colour, and they don't marble quite as nice. It will marble, but it's not quite as nice. So that's why you can see them individually next to each other, but then they move. So you have this movement that happens as you lay them down as well. What we're going to do now is we're going to use Fall.
The orange, how that's come through, like really separate, isn't it?
It's nice how it all just like, how it mixes and not mixes.
Yeah, I don't know how you explain it, but yeah, he's right.
Right, so I'm going to use the Lily Liner brush to go into Fall. And then we're just going to add a little accent sort of veins. Of shimmer. Now I don't like putting glittery gel polishes, not heavily glittered gel polishes, into a marble mix, because do you know when they see how they merge a bit like this and you get that gorgeous effect? Well, if that is done with a glitter, you kind of just lose it. It doesn't hold those lines. So you'll only ever be able to get these nice little lines by hand painting them on. But once you've got your design on, you can kind of just follow what's on there and exaggerate what's on there. Pop me that in. I love this. So pretty. Right, we're going to top coat with our glossy tack-free top coat. Pop that in the lamp. Now, you know I always say I want a pair of earrings like this. Made out of the top coats just because they're dead nice. Katie, who is named after this gel polish. Well, the gel polish is named after it. Came up with a really good idea and I'm going to share it with you. And we will do it one day. So, this is how your packaging comes, yeah. So, everyone gets their gel polish in a pack like this, yeah. Gorgeous packaging. Absolutely gorgeous, yeah. It has a surround, so it protects the bottle. You can take that bottle out. Now you see this. Katie says this is what she's going to do. She's going to fill that probably about halfway with epoxy resin to make decorations for her Christmas tree. Because look, it's the shape of the bottle.
Yeah.
So she can put epoxy resin in, put glitter in and things like that, and make these like nail polish. She used to make nail polish. What's it? Decorations. How good's that?
Good. Yeah.
So I think I could do the same, but make earrings.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
How good's that idea, though? It's brilliant, isn't it?
Well, I'd never think of it.
So if anybody else does that idea, please hashtag us or something, or, you know, tag us on social medias, because we want to see if anybody else does it, because it's such a cool idea. So there is the finished result. They're gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit of cuticle oil on. So you see how putting that other colour on as the background really helped as well. So any little bits where there isn't marble, it still goes, it's still part of the design.
So is that colour part of the marble colour anyway?
Yes, it is, yeah. So whatever background colour you use, include that into your marble and it'll all just flow and it'll look like it's one big marble. Even if you miss some bits. So that's cool. So there you are. That's how to marble. Bambi. I'm losing my marbles.
Might have been gone ages.
Yeah.
Ages.
Not found any of them?
No.
Not a one?
Don't look anymore.
You've been using them on Squid Games.
I haven't watched that.
Oh, you should. It's very good.
Is it?
Yeah. There you are, guys. So if you want to find out where to get the products we've used today, it's all listed below in the description box. If you've made it all the way to the end, you're amazing. I love you. Please subscribe and share the shiz out of this video.